Hi, my dear students. Today you are going to learn the use of hurt, can, and must. The first one, we have hurt, that is equal to pain. When we talk about healthy problems, you have the question, what's the matter or what's wrong? And you have a lot of possibilities to answer them. The first, my head hurts. I have a headache. Me duele la cabeza. I have a headache. Tengo dolor de cabeza. My stomach hurts. Me duele el estómago. I have stomachache. Tengo dolor de estómago. His tooth hurts. Sus dientes le duelen. He has a toothache. Tiene dolor de dientes. Her head hurts. Su cabeza le duele. A ella le duele, tiene dolor de cabeza. Their back hurt. They have backache. A ellos les duele la espalda. Ellos tienen dolor de espalda. You have the first use of the verb hurts. My head hurts. My stomach hurts. His tooth hurts. Her head hurts. Their back hurt. Okay? That is the first form, hurts. When somebody asks you, what's the matter? What's wrong? You can answer, my head hurts. My stomach hurts, etc. The second one. Now we have can and can't, positive and negative. That means able to do, ser capaz de hacer algo físicamente. For example, if somebody asks you, what's wrong? You can answer, I am sick. I can't go to school. Estoy enfermo. No puedo ir a la escuela. She has a headache. She can't get up. Tiene dolor de cabeza. Ella no puede levantarse. He has fever. He can't go outside. Él tiene fiebre. Él no puede salir. That they are negative. Now we have positive. I'm very well. I can't go to school. Estoy bien. Puedo ir a la escuela. You aren't hot. No estás con temperatura, con fiebre. You can play in the park. Tú puedes jugar en el parque. Okay, that's the second option. Can or can't. Okay, for physical condition. Number 3. Now we have must, mustn't. En las guías anteriores ya vimos el uso de must and mustn't. Allowed or not allowed to do. Algo que está permitido o no está permitido de hacer. In this case, according to healthy problems, let's see. The first, you have a toothache. Tienes dolor de muelas. You mustn't eat candies before lunch. No estás permitido comer dulces antes del almuerzo. He has temperature. He must not get up. Tiene temperatura. Él no está permitido levantarse. No debe levantarse. That's the condition. She has a cough. She must not go out. Tiene tos. Ella no debe salir. No está permitida salir. I have a sore throat. Tengo dolor de garganta. I must not drink hot water. No puedo, no debo, no estoy permitido beber agua fría. You have a headache. Tú tienes dolor de cabeza. You must stay in bed like an obligation. Debes permanecer en cama. We must brush our teeth with toothpaste after breakfast. Debemos cepillarnos nuestros dientes con la pasta dental después del desayuno. That is the third option. Must or mustn't. Okay? That's all, my dear students. Don't forget,